skimming and scanning, two different techniques to be adopted for reading. Let us take with an example from a newspaper clip. The Times of India, published May 12, 2020. Heading or the title, All Special Train Booked for a Week to Ferry 1.7 lakh. The heading tells that this news is related to a train, number of people who are going to travel, and May 12, 2020, it is during the lockdown period. So we should be very keen, or I'll be more interested to know what are the restrictions that have been given and what are the new policies, the guidelines that have been issued for the passengers to travel. So they have to abide by that. So let us start reading very quickly. By Tuesday evening, almost 30 special trains run by railways were booked for first 7 days. That means for first 7 days it has been booked. Around 90,000 tickets were booked. 8,000 passengers boarded the first 8 special train. That means the journey is already commenced and around 8,000 people have already boarded the train. All trains are booked for a week. So all trains have been booked. There are no vacancy. 6.8 lakh stranded migrant workers are there, tourists and students. 12,845 berths for passengers were done on Howrah-Delhi special train, and other numbers are also given, how many people have taken during that route or to that route. Daily operations special trains on these route. So all these routes have got a daily operation. And they also made it mandatory for those traveling by the special train. The tweet said it is mandatory for passengers to download Arogya Setu app. So now the Arogya Setu app, which keeps the monitor or control of COVID-19 or coronavirus. So it is mandatory for every person boarding the train to have Arogya Setu app. Then the passengers are advised to follow check the destination state regarding all such protocol. Then finally in the last concluding paragraph, standard operating procedures saying that all the asymptomatic persons reaching the national capital would be allowed to go to their respective homes. So this is an overview about reading by skimming. Let me adopt a different method that is called as scanning. In scanning, I should know what I am looking for. As usual, the title is very clear, all special train booked for a week. So it is something to do with the railways, the train, the people and traveling. Now what am I interested to look? Assuming that I am keen to know how many people are traveling from Bengaluru to New Delhi or Bangalore to New Delhi. So if that is a requirement, I should identify places where the word places are. Quickly to glance, the train heading New Delhi. But this is reporting of the news. So I am not getting the information how many people have traveled. Let me go further. It is 9,000, 8,000 people, 800 to 9,700. I just quickly glance. Suddenly I come to this place to I understand that Bengaluru to New Delhi around 11,643. This is what I was looking for and I got the point here. Bangalore to New Delhi 11,643. This method is called as scanning. Very quickly I got the information what I required. So skimming and scanning are two different techniques to be adopted as it is required. And when you adopt these two techniques, the purpose definitely could be different. For a general newspaper reader, a skimming will be fine, and for a researcher a scanning will be very interesting because he or she will be very keen to get the numbers.